Protecting young fruit trees and garden plants from pests can be a real challenge. Birds, slugs, and snails often feed on leaves, flowers, and developing fruits, sometimes causing serious damage before the plants have a chance to mature. Many gardeners prefer natural, chemical-free methods to safeguard their crops. One surprisingly effective and low-cost solution is aluminum foil, a simple household material that can be used in several protective ways. One method is especially useful for keeping birds away from young fruit trees. Birds are naturally drawn to fresh leaves, blossoms, and small fruits, and they can quickly harm a young tree. To create a basic bird deterrent, take a sheet of aluminum foil and fold it multiple times. This makes it stronger and more durable for outdoor use. Next, punch a small hole in one corner using a needle, pin, or similar sharp object. Thread a piece of string or thin rope through the hole and tie it securely. Then hang the foil strip from a tree branch or nearby support structure. When the wind moves the foil, it begins to spin and sway. As it moves, it reflects sunlight in different directions, creating bright flashes and constant motion. These reflections and movements make birds uneasy, discouraging them from landing on the tree. Over time, this simple visual disturbance helps protect leaves and fruit from damage. This hanging foil acts like a natural scare deterrent. It requires no electricity, no maintenance, and no cost beyond recycled material. If it becomes worn out after long exposure to weather, it can easily be replaced. The second method targets ground-dwelling pests such as slugs and snails. These pests typically appear at night and slowly crawl up plant stems to feed on fresh growth, often causing significant damage in a short time. To prevent this, wrap a strip of aluminum foil around the lower part of the plant stem, starting near the soil surface. Ensure it is snug enough to stay in place but not so tight that it harms the plant's growth. This foil barrier works in two important ways. First, its shiny surface reflects light, which can help reduce pest activity around the plant base. More importantly, it creates a physical obstacle that slugs and snails struggle to cross. Their soft bodies cannot easily grip the smooth, crinkled metal surface, making it uncomfortable and difficult for them to climb. As a result, many of these pests turn away before reaching the plant's leaves and fruits, reducing damage significantly. Using both methods together provides stronger protection for the garden. The hanging foil helps deter birds from above, while the wrapped foil shields the plant from ground pests. Together, they form a simple and effective natural defense system. These aluminum foil techniques are affordable, environmentally friendly, and easy for any gardener to apply. By reusing a common household item, you can protect young fruit trees and delicate plants in a natural way. With minimal effort, your garden can stay healthier and produce stronger, more productive plants.